Thank you very much. Thank you, big hand. So, like I said, Alona, I've been so inspired in my life about this. It's about how we can make a company a better place to work, or how we can really make the people who work in the company be more successful in their life and be more happy and be fulfilled. And you just say that. I mean, this is the life of my line. It's not about the logo. It's about the people. If you have a company, it's not about the logo you have. It's about the people. Because without the people, your logo means nothing. What is Google today? What is Intel today? What is the big brands today? It's about all the great work that have been done. And I'm so happy that people like Kuinan, Lan, and Pedro believe this thing. And this really make me feel so confident and so excited that there are so many other big leaders like you thinking about making a change, making a company a better place to work rather than it's just about talking about the number game. So I've been so excited about it, and very much thank you to all the audience for come over, and we really apologize because it's a lot of audience. We cannot tell them to come over because of the in-coffee issues, but there's a few guests we thought they're really valuable, so we bring them in. And thank you very much for coming over. So can we give a big hand to every of the audience who are taking part of this?